Hello guys, welcome to 188GC TV. So today we're gonna talk about this VS1 as we use this one to clean our car, which is very effective. But we will be talking today on what other uses this product you might not know. So let's see if you know already, then uh, good for you. But maybe some people does not know that there are other uses of this product. So the first one is, okay, some don't know about this, but I use VS1 to clean the engine, car engine. So watch sample. See, very easy to use. No VS1 with VS1, and it also lasts longer, guys. Okay, second is cleaning the tires. Some people may have used this in cleaning their tires, but if you have no tire black, I use VS1. See, very nice, very nice. Third is you can use this in your protecting your appliances such as electric fan. Sample. That one is dirty and see, it's shiny. Fourth is I also use this to clean our chair, especially leather. Check this one. See, you can use this in your gaming chair or other chairs that is leather. You can okay guys, so this is the fifth. So you can use this as cleaning your speakers. Sample. See, this is an old speaker, and wow, looks like if you clean this all up, it will look brand new. Okay guys, so the sixth is we can use this in our laptops. See, it's getting dark, and even the small scratches are lost. Okay guys, some may not know this one because I use VS1 in my tiles. See, it will become shiny and it looks like it is waxed, untreated and treated, and it will smell. Your room will smells good also. I also use this one guys in my carpet. See, I don't know if it can be seen, but if you spray VS1 in the carpet, it will smells good, and the carpet will not get too much dirty because the dirt will not stick. It will easily be removed. Okay guys, this one has already been cleaned with VS1, and this is my gym. It's also, I don't know what to call this, but you have to press this one. So this is being cleaned by VS1 already, and I use this to my equipment. This one and this one, the pull-ups. Okay guys, the last would be putting VS1 in a bag is very good also guys. See, it will turn the black to your bag and it will smells good, especially the old bags in your closet. spray this one. We use this one to spray our old bags, and it will go back to brand new. Okay guys, hope you liked the video and hope it was very useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe in our channel, and we will give you more how-tos, information and other stuff. Thank you guys, and have a nice day.